Reverend Livingstone Epaese, Ministers of Cabinet, members of the Diplomatic Corps, heads of government ministries, corporations, and the business community, the tourism sector, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am pleased to officially launch the 5 billion Tala government stimulus package assistance to assist the tourism businesses. The tourism industry is indeed one of the key development priorities of the new government, and it has also placed great emphasis as it still holds much potential in the future, and especially a key stimulant of our economy recovery. The sector, without a doubt, has been severely affected by the impacts of COVID-19 following on from the measles epidemic. Moreover, the continued border closure remains to affect travel to Samoa, and while efforts continue to actively pursue domestic tourism has provided some level of business and relief for operators, the numbers in comparison to pre-COVID-19 are significantly lower and are unsustainable for the majority of the tourism industry. The lack of visitors in these challenging times has impacted our tourism businesses financially, and as they continue to struggle to stay afloat with the continued financial obligations. There have been an increasing number of tourism businesses which have had to close down temporarily as a result of continued COVID travel restrictions, and this number will continue to grow. The government recognizes the importance of the sector to the economy of Samoa and the struggles it has faced, which is why the government identified 5 million Tala stimulus assistance for the tourism industry as a key priority. The assistance will provide much needed access to finance for tourism businesses, with the main objectives to revitalize the industry through maintenance work to improve tourism products, to expedite the recovery of the sector, and to provide capital injection to assist tourism businesses with operational costs and other key priorities. Tourism businesses will be able to utilize the assistance on activities such as maintenance, repair works, or replacement of amenities or equipment, wage subsidies, annual fees and subscriptions, operational costs, and other priorities such as financial obligations. It is our hope that stimulus will be utilized accordingly in line with the conditions set out, and will be able to assist the recovery of our respective businesses during these challenging times. Our new government's goal and aspiration for the tourism industry is to reach or exceed the 250,000 tourists a year, which can include our families visiting friends, sports, tourism, events, academic tourism, meetings and conferences, as well as our normal beach tourists. We hope to develop this and continue the support through the sustainable tourism as the underlying basis for the tourism development that will reduce our climate footprint, but build resilience, and more importantly, preserve and conserve our natural heritage and environment. Our goal in the next 5 years is increase tourism and ensure that over 80% of the income from the tourism industry is retained in Samoa to help with our economic development. Without further ado, it gives me great pleasure to officially launch the 5 million Tala government stimulus for tourism and businesses. Lastly, may you all have a blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. So forth.